Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic how to install a software program from an ISO file. How you install a program for an ISO image will vary depending on which version of Windows you use. Here's how to install a program in Windows 11, 8, 8.1 and 7. As ISO file, also known as ISO image, is a disk image of all the installation files for a single program. Particularly large programs such as Microsoft Office and the Windows operating system are made available as ISO files. How you install an application from its ISO files will depend on the version of Windows you are running. In Windows 11, 10 or 8.1, you can mount the ISO files as a virtual drive and install the software from there. If you are still on Windows 7, you shall need to download it, a utility that can mount the ISO files for you. The ISO file can also be burned to a disk or copied to a USB drive, then installed. If you download Windows 11 or 10 as an ISO files, you shall need to burn it to a bootable DVD or copy it to a bootable USB drive to install into in it on your target computer. Download the ISO image, then open File Explorer and right click on the file. From the pop-up menu, select the mount command. This will open a virtual drive that is visible in File Explorer from which you can install the software. On the virtual drive, you should find a setup exe file for installing the program. Double click the file to install it. After the installation has finished, open this PC folder in File Explorer so you can see all your disk drives. Right click on the virtual drive. From the pop-up menu, click the eject command to remove the virtual drive. Thus, your ISO file will remain on the computer. This is usually a simple process, but sometimes a third-party program can disable the built-in mount command so it does not appear in the menu. If this happens, you will need to reset your default program to bring the command back. In Windows 11, go to Setting Apps, Default Apps and click Window Disk Image Burner. In the list of apps, click the names of the third-party program and change it to Windows Explorer. So guys, return to File Explorer and right click the ISO file again. The mount command should now appear in the menu. If you are running Windows 7, you will not have the mount command option. Instead, you must turn to a free virtual drive utility. The virtual drive is created and a small window will ask if you want to run the setup file or open the folder for the virtual drive. You can choose either option. Through the latter option gives you the ability to view the files and then manually run the setup.exe files. The installation process: after the program has installed, right click on the ISO files in Windows Explorer and click eject from the pop-up menu to remove the virtual drive. So guys, another option is to simply burn the ISO files onto a clean machine. Insert a blank disk into the disk drive. Open File Explorer or Windows Explorer and right click on the ISO files. In Windows 10, select to burn disk image command. In Windows 11, click Show More option and then select Burn Disk Image. The Windows Disk Image Burn tool pops up and should point to your CD DVD drive. Click the Burn button to proceed. Once the ISO is burned to the disk, your drive may open so you can remove the disk. Depending on your installation setting, you can then install your program from the disk automatically by placing it in the drive of a PC or by double clicking the setup files that displayed in the File Explorer or Windows Explorer. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah.